Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to explore the Moqui cave as well as the sand caves here in Kanab, Utah. We are currently at this little parking lot here off the side of the road. I believe this is, it's called Highway 89. And actually we are only about 25 to 30 miles away from Zion National Park. But we're going to do a little bit of exploration right now. You can see these beautiful walls in the background. Hello. There's like a little sandy trail here that we're gonna take to the caves. I'll see you when we get closer. So we started our day in Page, Arizona. Now we're in Kanab, Utah. Hello. Hi. All right, we can already start to see a couple of the entrances to the cave up there. Look at this flower. That's nice. We're making our approach to the caves. By the way, this is about a mile round trip hike. Nice and easy. Alright guys, we made it to the top here. In the distance you can see my dad. I'm gonna go catch up with him. It's a really cool trail. You kind of just follow this like little ridge line up here. Alright. Here we go. You can see the cliff over here. I'm so glad we're doing this though. What? What a beautiful landscape. I'm gonna go this way, I think. You guys can see that beautiful color on the stone over there. All right, guys, let's head into the cave. Hello. Hi. Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Wow. Oh, this is awesome. Look at all these different rooms and stuff. Jeez. Look at this place. Oh my gosh, this is sweet.
This is crazy.
This is amazing.
Oh my god, look at this face. It's around me. Can you stay in the sun?
Thank you for watching this short hiking adventure to the sand caves in Kanab, Utah, and stay tuned for more coming soon.